Put on his lucky glasses to hit the strike.
Oh, no.
Didn't get it. Let's see what he got now. No, he got. There you go. Nice. Good strike, Winnie. Yes! You got a strike, Winnie. Yes! Right there. Let's see if you got an extra. Uh-oh. They made it. They had not made it, Winnie. Let's see what he got here now. Uh-oh. Put it right in the center, Winnie.
Okay.
Oh, just pull it back. Pull it back. Pull the ball back. Yeah. There you go. Nice. Oh. You had a nice strike, and that's what you did after, Winnie?
Oh, no. I make a mess.
It's alright. It's alright if you make a mess, buddy. Uh-oh. Here we go. Next strike. And... by two, Winnie. Hold on. Wow. McDonald's step up the game. Imagine you could come and play games in McDonald's. Hold on, Winnie, before you dirty your jacket. Come on.
Wow, Dada.
Yeah. Hold on.
Oh, no.
Hold on. Let's wipe the screen. Okay. No, don't put it on the table. Come on. That's a little piece. Just finish this. Come. Finish that. All right.
No.
No, come, here. Look. Put your fries on top there. Put it in here.
No.
You want to put your fries? All right. Okay. Whatever you want to do. And here we go again with his next strike. Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. In the canal. That's not a good strike. Wayne, you're a good bowler, Wayne. There you go. Uh-oh. Can't hold it back. See what I gotta deal with every evening come from school. You wanna play the next one? Gotta go here. Hold on. Gotta go here. Alright, hold on. Then go over here. Yep, touch it. No, you're going back to bowling. That's a, hold on. Yeah. Touch this one.
Dada, why did you do that?
You didn't want to play that game?
Mm-hmm.
Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Missed it. Close your mouth. 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 You good at that game, Wayne? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You good at that game, Wayne? Close your mouth. 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 Open your mouth. Close your mouth, boy. You open it. Uh-oh. You hit 19, Wayne. You only missed 3. That's good. Wow. Wayne. We gotta leave in a little while, buddy. We gotta go pick up Ryan. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. Close your mouth. 4 hits. Ah, man. Yep, no. Next one. The green one, yeah. Hit the one. Yeah. No. Go back again.
Yeah.
No, that's bowling.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
You want a bowl? You like? All right, press play. 4 players. You only got 1 player here. Uh-oh, here we go. Miss. Yeah, you hit 1. Player number 2. And yes. Player number 2. Winnie. Yeah. Oh, that's a good one, Winnie. Yeah. Wow. You missed it by 1, Winnie. You missed it by 1. The screen's wet, that's why. 1, bang, Winnie, you got it. Player number 3. Uh-oh, player number 3 no good. There we go. Back to player number one.
Oh
No good.
no!
Gotta get a lot of practice, Wayne. A lot of practice.
Yeah!
All right, Wayne.
Oh no!
All right, Wayne. We gotta go.